here's what is called a cripple, folks. This hex came out of this case. You'll see behind it here, you can actually see the wing pad busted right open. But for some reason, even though it's not windy today, that little jigger drowned himself. Now, unless I play a hero and save his life, which might be able to be done here, I'll pick him up and maybe just give him a chance to dry off. But there's a hatch that we're after. There's a hexagenia. That hatch is my happiest hatch of my life. So for me to save this little jigger and give him a chance to dry off and maybe do something tonight, makes me happy. But that's the hexagenia.
The time had finally come. The hatch was on and I changed over to a floating line with a dry fly. I'm very excited.
There we go, first fish. All right, this is awesome. Very visual. Oh, big flies
On the surface.
on the surface. And boop, it's just like a toilet flushing, my goodness. Oh yeah, exciting. Decent, look at that, look at that.
Oh, nice fish, actually.
Nice fish, yes. Yeah, whoa, and away he goes.
He's not mad.
Yeah.
He's not even happy yet. He's gonna give you a
Dead drifting hexagenia nymph, or dry flies, I should say. We got a spinner fall happening right now. These fish become very active at night, and he's actually really strong. Well, it's a decent bass. Decent bass. Very good, very good.
Where are we? Okay,
We're bringing him up in a second here.
Yeah, bring him. Well, that's the biggest of the day.
Yeah.
That's the biggest of the day. That's
That
17.
is a good fish.
Yeah, maybe 17. Yeah, I give
Oh,
that
yeah.
17.
Good.
On the dry.
On a
he
dry
did
fly.
it all on his own.
Oh man, that is exciting.
Here you go, sir.
Okay. Now, isn't that something on a dry fly? This is the best part of our sport is fishing on top like this. You just can't beat that.
Notice the nice bright red eyes.
Yeah. Ontario smallmouth.
Bronze back.
Bronze backs, can't beat them, especially on top.
After spending most of its life in the water as a nymph, a mayfly swims to the surface to hatch. This is called the emerger stage. The emerger hatches into a dun, which, while on the surface of the water, is primary food for fish. The dun then flies off the water to nearby foliage, where it undergoes another transformation to become a spinner. When it becomes a spinner, it will join others and be seen swarming over the surface in mating flights. Some spinners will drop their fertilized eggs, others will touch down on the surface to deposit them. Finally, the act of renewing the species is complete. The spinners fall to the surface and then die.
There you go.
And there's the fish.
Oh,
Yes, sir,
nice
I got him.
job.
I got him.
You need to get more tension into him. He's got only a skinny hooking so far.
Oh.
Give him a good plowing. That's it. Good. Thank you. Now you got him.
I got him now, yeah.
Yeah.
This one feels a little bigger.
Yeah. Yeah. No, he
Yeah,
sucked it.
oh, yeah.
I heard him. I heard him suck. Keep the rod high.
I gotta keep it high. I usually like to get them on the reel, but I got a lot of line below me here, so that's not gonna happen on this one.
That's all right.
Just
Hand
keep them up.
Just keep them high.
Oh,
dig.
Candace. Oh, man. Now, what I must do, though, is I must allow. Oh, this is a good fish. This is a good fish.
There's
this is
an
a good fish.
18.
I'll tell the audience in a minute there what I had to do in order to take this fish. Very good. Oh, this is exciting.
Dig, 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 dig. Look at him dig.
Yeah.
Look at him dig.
This one's pushing quite a bit of water.
This is what the Americans pay big bucks for.
Oh, absolutely. Look at this on a dry fly.
This is what the
Whoa.
Americans come for me for.
Oh, isn't that something? Oh, look at that. Look at the dry fly in it. Now, what I had to do is allow the fish to come up and grab the fly and then turn down before I set the hook. Isn't that a beaut? Oh, smallmouth fishing in Ontario.
Classic.
Classic, yeah.
Bronzeback giants. Eating dries.
Oh, yeah.
My specialty. Have some fun.
Oh, yes, isn't that something? Look at that. That's right up to my middle of my arm. That's a good fish.
That's 17s in
17,
the 18s.
good 17-incher. There you go. Oh, that was awesome. That was just awesome. Dry fly fishing. There's nothing like it. Oh, yeah.
The dry fly we use today is called the Extended Body Foam Hexagenia. Here's the recipe for this fly. The hook is a Mustad S82-3906 in size 8. The thread, 3/0 monocord in yellow. The tail, 2 dyed yellow hackle stems. The body, sheet foam in yellow. The wing, white hen hackle tips. The hackle, grizzly hackle, dyed yellow, wound parachute style. And the eyes are extra small mono eyes in black.
There he is. You got him.
And I purposely waited a little longer. That was a good, oh yeah,
He
good
could
one.
Be, he could be big.
Oh yeah, he's running line already.
There's, I'm gonna try to get on top of him because there's a log jam underneath us.
Oh man, oh this one is definitely pulling hard. Wow, did you see that? That was just incredible how he come up and took it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is a well hooked fish, I'm sure, but I gave him a little extra time to take it.
He's really playing, but he's not that big.
You don't think he's that big?
No,
Oh,
he's
man,
not. He's just honking you.
he's extremely strong, man. I'm
Yeah,
telling you.
He's not that big.
No, he's not, is he?
No. He's just a good player.
Good player, yes. Another boil over here. Okay, the action's starting.
I have people that come just for this, for half-day drifts. I get to go a whole month with this action, depending on which river I go to.
Get him. Good man.
Look at that perfect hook set by Bill. Look at that. In the top, right on, fish
Yes.
didn't stand a chance.
I'll let you let that one go there, Ken.
All right.
That's definitely.
The catch and release, I call it the deep six treatment. Ready? Whoop.
Oh, very good.
There's it.
And got him.
Ah, got him.
He's not that big. But nice, easy take. And this is the time when action gets hot. Ooh, yeah.
Ding, 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 ding. Another done.
Wow.
And you wait. When the bats get good, we won't know what to do with ourselves.
Now he's putting up a fight.
Yeah, he's not bad. He's 12. He's 12 for sure.
Oh yeah, he's only about 12, yeah.
I wonder.
I'll let you let.
I wonder.
Warm up the camera.
Look what he's done. He's got him in the top lip.
Yep.
High percentage hook setter boy here. This is good. No, you see, what happens if he waits a little long, we'll have a deep in the gills shot that's dangerous for our fishes. Bill's hitting them perfectly timed.
Beautiful.